Okay, thanks. Okay. No, wait, stop. Push this back in. Okay, now you take the top out. Ready? Oh, I can't do it. Help! Oh, thanks.
Papa.
Thank you. That was Grandpa's cup, you think? Thank you. Oh, wait. This one you have to do. Hold it. Come around. Come here. You have open the drawer. Got him one. Right here. Pull. Pull. There. Okay, now you can put it in. Okay, now close it. Good job. Thanks. 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 We'll wait to get you guys away first.
What happened to the big plates and the little plates and the big and the little?
Thanks. It's a lid. Oh, what's that? Little bowl?
Nope, not fancy.
I guess not.
Misty.
Is it hard being with morning people?
No, I'm just, my eyes are,
They're bad.
yeah. I'm just out of it right now.
Oh, you're gonna do that one yourself. You're right. That's where it goes. You are such a smart boy. And use your whole hand. Yep. Pull. You can do it. You did yesterday.
I do it. Open, open.
Yep. Okay. Good job. Yep, just put it in. Okay, close it. Of course, that's the fun part. What's that?
Big
A big cup. Yeah.
I do it.
It's a little wet. It's slippery, huh? How about using the handle? Let's get this big cup out of the way.
Uh-oh.
You're trapped. There you go. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, wow. Big cup. Another big cup. Okay. You know where that one goes? You can do that one. Open this drawer. Open. There you go. Pull again. Open. You got it. Oh, okay. And put it inside here. There you go. Now you close it. Good job. Two more. Two more. Thank you. Thank you. There you go. Leave that there. All done. It's all empty. Can you close the door now? Is it heavy? Watch your fingers. Okay. Good job.